I don't know if you can tell, but today I've got special safety goggles on because we are going to be under construction. Let's go check out our construction site.
Oh, look at this! How neat! Look at all these really cool construction trucks.
I got to wear my special vest because we are going to be around all this really big machine equipment today. Neat!
This is going to be so much fun.
All right, so it looks like we have a really cool looking bulldozer.
Wow! Look at how cool this bulldozer is. It's so neat. It just goes along and picks up the rocks and picks them up like this at construction sites. And just pushes dirt and rocks everywhere. So cool!
We also have this really neat wheel loader. And the wheel loader picks up the rocks like this. And it can take it and dump it into the dump truck. All right, back it up.
Beep, 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 beep. Look at this. It put it into this really cool looking dump truck. Wow, this is a pretty big dump truck.
Look at the wheels on the front. So cool! Then you take the rocks and the dump truck hauls it off and then goes and dumps it in a really big pile. Like this.
Ooh, here it goes. Wow! All right, so cool. So this is a pretty big looking dump truck we got here. But we also have a really small dump truck. Look how tiny it is. Such a tiny little dump truck. And it can dump out rocks and dirt too. Let me show you.
So put a couple rocks in here. Okay, here it goes.
Here we go. Dump it off. Woo! So neat.
Let's use our wheel loader to pick up some more rocks and dump it into our tiny little dump truck. Look at this really big one compared to the small dump truck.
We got this tiny dump truck and this really big one. Wow, it's such a big difference in size.
But what's the same about both dump trucks is they both have 4 wheels. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. The big dump truck also has 4 wheels. 1, 2, 3, 4. So cool.
Everybody be careful. This is a construction site, so you gotta make sure that you stay safe and you have your safety goggles on. You gotta make sure you have your safety vest on too, like I do, so the machines and the people that are running the machinery can see you and make sure that they stay very clear and away from you. This is so much fun. Wow. Let's pick up some more rocks. Let's bulldoze some rocks. Sites. There's just so many cool looking machines to see, and we get to play with rocks and dirt and do all kinds of fun, neat stuff.
I am so glad you joined me today on this really cool construction site, and I really enjoyed it. I hope you had so much fun learning with Missy. Until next time.
Bye.